Guys, welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. We'll do a little video here. We're coming in, we're on Highway 70 in West Tennessee. We're going to cross the river bridge up here, and this will put us basically into Middle Tennessee, what's considered Middle Tennessee. And we're going to go through the small town of Johnsonville, Tennessee. I'll try to get you guys some videos of these little small towns as we drive through them. You see, this is a little narrow two-lane road. It is again Highway 70. You can follow this all the way up to Clarksville, Tennessee. Humphreys County, Tennessee, Tennessee River, crossing the bridge. Little boat ramp, boat dock down there in Johnsonville. There's a little campsite over there for your campers. Anchor Inn Motel, or Anchor Inn Resort. We go into the new Johnsonville Power Plant, TVA. Get into the little business district. They've got a Casey's general store. Looks like the gas price is $3.24. Shopping center. They got a Dollar General, Tony's Pizza, hardware store, First Federal Bank. There's the fire department, and a little used car lot. Marathon gas station and a liquor store. MGE Outdoor. Not sure what that is. They got a lot of cool signs on that building. Broadway Plaza. Car wash. Shell station with the Baskin Robbins. Over here is Johnsonville State Historic Park, Pebble Isle Marina. Industrial Supplies Machine Shop. And Napa Auto Parts. Deerfield Inn Motel. You got a bowling alley here, Skyway Lanes. Pizza place. And I think that just about does us for the city of New Johnsonville as we roll into the unincorporated community of Denver. Call this Denver Hill. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.